I gotta say, after cruising for 7 days on a pretty light week with the company, I'm a little disappointed. Just not there.
Happy, good, great Friday. Just a heads up, I'll be out of the office next week from 4/21 through Saturday 4/27 as I set sail on a cruise. I'll be attempting to master the art of doing absolutely nothing and probably failing miserably by day 2. While I'm off navigating buffets and speed walking past the old folk, the X2 ship will still be full steam ahead. During this time, I'll have limited access to calls, texts, email. As you can imagine, I did pay for the overpriced ship Wi-Fi, so I'll be checking emails nightly, but expect a 24 to 48 hour turn time on my email responses just in case, and if something is absolutely urgent, please text me. To keep things running smoothly, and honestly this even goes for when I'm in the office working, here's a reminder of who you should be reaching out to for assistance. Thanks in advance for keeping everything biz as usual while I'm away, and I will talk to you all soon.
Hey, you've reached Shawn Malkou. Sorry I can't get to the phone right now. I'm actually traveling. Please shoot me an email at s.
Perfect. I recorded this 3 years ago for every time I go traveling, and it works every time. Yeah, I would say outside of the dealing with massive amounts of people, traveling is great.
One question. Do you plan on wearing your backpack the whole trip?
Oh, this thing? Well, it's got my laptop in it and my phone charger. So
Gives you life, right?
I probably need to have it at all times. I think the running track's on a different room, but if we take this street here and we just zip on down, we're like walking through someone else's dorm right now.
Ready?
Okay, it's like Amazing Race, right?
Oh, what's the clue?
We have
What's
to
the
read it
roadblock?
into the camera. It's just our room keys.
We've decided not to U-turn. Welcome to my crib.
Is this the big baller room? And definitely not the cheapest room. That's all you need. You need a bed to sleep.
Well, let's
A
check the
couch?
bathroom out.
Were you just in my office right here? Do we have a walk-in bathroom?
This is perfect. That's a perfect spot for me to bother you while you're working.
While I'm working in my office. I know it's crazy. I'm taking the backpack off.
Oh God.
Yeah, no, this is roomy. This is nice.
When they said date a millionaire.
This is what you're expecting, right? Oh, when you're dating a super budget millionaire. Oh, babe, I'm peeing in here. Doing me dirty like that.
The X2 satellite office.
Alright, now I'm in proper work attire, you know? Gotta send out some pre-approvals, you know, because I want to be able to afford, you know, nice rooms like this.
Please stay on the line and you'll call. Good afternoon, thank you for calling guest services.
Hi there. Looks like we're both getting charged for onboard gratuities, and I was wondering what that's for.
So when you book your cruise at City, you're going to be charged $18.50 per person per day. It's a gratuity charge that goes towards your stateroom attendant, main dining room waiters, and housekeeping services, sir.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you clarifying that.
Yeah, my pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful afternoon.
You too. What a rip. What's wrong with just leaving people cash these days? I don't understand. What if our service sucked?
I'm afraid to leave this room. You're gonna charge us for oxygen, maybe an ice cube fee.
Don't flush the toilet that much, okay? We can have a flush fee. Where'd he go?
Wait, where is he?
There he is.
bad.
That's why we make iced tea.
This is C-suite.
This is C-suite executive office here.
Literally C.
No, literally C. How'd the executive assistant let you through into my office?
I know.
Because I'm so cheap, didn't want to pay for the whatever the Wi-Fi was. How much was the Wi-Fi? I think it was, $22.99. That's $161. That's per person, per device. And I'm thinking, well, I need Wi-Fi on my phone, Wi-Fi calling, texting, but I also need to get on my laptop. So they charge you per device. It's ridiculous. So I would have spent like, call it $350, $400 just for my phone and laptop. But they realized that a bunch of boomers get on cruises. I just plug in my phone to my laptop and, oh, I'm getting a call. Just give me 1 sec. What's up, Josh?
What's up, Star? How are you?
I'm good, man. How are you? Yeah, if you can get the seller finance deal going and have some capital outside of his home, that'd be great. If not, we could do like an SBA loan, but he's not going to get a rate in the 5s. So I'm actually on vacation right now, but when I get back into the office...
Why are you answering the phone? Why are you answering the phone? It's, hey, Josh, I'm on vacation.
Hey, you know, I can't stop. I can't stop, won't stop, Josh.
I love it. All right, brother. Well, enjoy vacation. I hope you get some good rest, and I'll leave you to it.
All right, as I was saying, I didn't want to spend $400 because I'm a cheap millionaire, as we all know at this point. Hit this little button that says USB tethering. Bang. You already heard the laptop click on. Now I got Wi-Fi on the laptop. Simple. Paying for one device, Wi-Fi on 2 devices. Easy cheat code. So yeah, go ahead and follow me for more tips on that when you go on your cruises. No worries.
Another day at the office.
Just another day at the office.
We're in Honduras. Just got back from scuba diving. How many calls do you have, Shawn? How many did you get while diving?
Well, I had 2 that were ringing on my watch while I was underwater. So, but I think total 12. And I didn't have service for probably half of that. Yeah.
And probably crazy amount of emails.
This is for the last couple hours.
Dang.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, however many that is, that many.
Back to the office.
Back to the office.
3, 2, 1.
Hot sauce.
Tabasco.
Alright, I just want to know, and I don't know if you guys know this, how much have you spent on this trip in total?
Oh.
Everything.
He's gonna be like,
Jess and I both guessed.
I'm gonna guess $900.
With 7,000.
7,000? Add that up.
Flights are about 900. Great package is 1,000. Cruise is like 3,000.
Cruise was 3,000?
Probably. We got a balcony room.
Excursions are probably like 600.
Gratuity.
Oh yeah, so that's another 500, right?
Gambling. 1,500.
What about the like sauna package?
Oh yeah, that's another 300.
have a
Massages.
good
Another
night.
500.
Oh my god.
Just wait till you get to Josh.
Alright, what do you think?
I don't think I'm that bad. I think I'm about 75.
Wait, so you paid $7,500 for what? That hurts me. God, you spent a lot. I was guessing spent $2,300. Alright, I was just curious.
How much did you spend?
A lot less.
Hold on, you guys are on the workers. You
Yeah,
have
no.
to clock in every day for 4 hours.
Oh. last day waking up with this amazing view from our window. What a great room that we have.
Yeah.
I don't think cruising is where it's at anymore to get the best bang for your buck.